Figma hacks have been a game changer for me lately. Hi, my name is Atarim. I'm a junior designer and social media manager here at Atarim, and today I'm going to share some Figma hacks that might really accelerate your workflow because they've really been helping me lately. So without any fluff, let's dive in. This first tip was life-changing for me. So usually if you want to select an object, you have to frantically click because it's nestled in multiple groups. This changes that. Hit Command to enter select inside mode, and you can suddenly click on anything you want without ungrouping and without pulling your hair out. Did you know that Figma has a hidden calculator in its fields? So this is pretty cool. So let's select our object, and let's say we wanted to make this a perfect square to match this. So we can say 334 minus 115. And there we go. And this also works with more complicated math as well. The arc tool is a great way to make beautiful progress bars in Figma. So let's select our circle, and you can make it as big as you want to. So we'll do this for the example, and then hit this. Check that out. That is really cool. This next tip is amazing for fixing up rough objects within Figma. It's called Delete and Heal, and we did some polling in our Discord, and not a whole lot of people knew about it. For this example, I'm going to draw a heart. And wow, that looks really bad. Usually what I would do to edit this is hit return, and you can see the individual points and mess with it. But that's kind of complicated. So instead, we're going to do delete and heal. So hold down shift and delete, and instead it'll delete the points, but it'll automatically smoothen it out for you. If you didn't know, you can also create and edit images with AI in Figma, including the new Nano Banana model. I've been having a lot of fun with it. We have our image right here. Let's select it. Go to the sparkles, edit image, put him in an autumn setting, wearing fall clothing, keep the pose the same. Let's see what it comes up with.
A few moments later.
And there we go, from summer to fall in just a few short moments. This next one's pretty common, but I'm going to mention it in case we have any newbies watching. So press K on your keyboard to switch to the scale tool, and then you can scale proportionally. So this is pretty cool. I remember when I was new to Figma, I used to pull my hair out over this. I had no clue you could do this one in Figma. So usually if you want to add an image, you have to download it from somewhere else and then upload it into Figma, and it's just a lot of steps. Here's what you can do instead. So say you have an image you want to use. We can hit copy image and then paste it right into Figma. Very cool. This next one's pretty neat. You can hit Shift and X to swap the gradient and the fill, so you don't have to mess with any menus. Here's a quick way to change the opacity of something without going into a menu or a sidebar. It's so fast. So let's select our object, and on our keyboard we can hit 70 to change the opacity to 70, 20, 30, 40, and back to 100. It's so fast. This next tip is neat because you can make stuff like this. Not only can you make styles with images and layouts in Figma, but you can do it with images as well. Let me show you. Here we have the image we're going to use for the style. So let's click on it. Go to Fill, Plus, let's name it Lake. And there we go. Now we can fill other objects. Let me know in the comments what your favorite Figma hack is. Maybe we can help each other out. I'm always looking for ways to shave time off my work. If you enjoyed this video, you should check out this other one by Andrew Palmer, where he shows off this AI strategic team that not only reviews your work, but gives you strategic direction on how to move forward.